can't win.
That's a lot better. A few good shot backs. Come on with brand there.
Oh, hey, whoops. It's a good thing I put a screen protector on the front of this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll still go through it though.
It didn't. You see that?
What are the ones that are orange and black?
Okay, YouTube, so I've noticed I've got a bunch of burgeoning YouTubers who have subscribed, and I thought I'd just share some stuff about cameras with you. Not that I'm an expert on cameras. I am not. But I will say this Osmo action camera is pretty cool until you touch it. This thing, despite having a fuzzy microphone, will pick up all kinds of like hand noise, that, you know, that background, like, oh, for crying out loud, stop. Just hold down the camera strap or something. Get the clinking to go away. The front-facing viewfinder is nice because then you can see what it's doing. Downside, this fuzzy thing's almost always in the way when I'm working in tight quarters. The GoPros are good pictures. This thing's got awesome camera stability, and I hate to admit this, I'm going to buy a 9. This is an 8. I've had a 6 too. I kind of gave that away to Mark, or permanent loan or whatever. But what I hate about them, these GoPros, and I'm like, you can't fix this? I can't update the dang firmware. So this thing, it keeps defaulting every video file to 2016, January 1st of 2016. So, and the GoPro 6 has the same problem. So if you can imagine, I've got 3 years of videos all packed into the month of January 2016, and it's asinine for managing videos. So every time I do an import, I have to be very careful to note what video I think it's going to go to, so I can search for these things when I'm working in Final Cut Pro to find the video clip. Otherwise, if it didn't have that problem, not a bad camera. I don't. All of these action cameras, I don't like the way you have to manage the on and off. They never have enough battery life, but you know, they're pretty good. And I'm hoping to God, GoPro, please for my sanity, I hope you fixed this problem in the 9 where it's not defaulting to 2016 with every one of my video files. And I'm using a Mac, and I haven't not figured out how, for some reason, because I have a Mac and iPhones and stuff, I can't update the firmware. I don't know why. Okay, it just doesn't work. So if somebody out there knows, let me know. Anyway, that's the end of my rant. But I don't know. I'm still looking for a better camera. You know, if I had the money, I'd go off and buy a Sony a7 III. That sounds like it's the cat's meow for what the kind of things I'm doing. But I'd still like to have action cameras that import video files with the date that they were made on, rather than me going on a witch hunt trying to find them. Anyway, end of rant, rather. Hey, YouTube. If you like this video, then Take 3. Hey, YouTube, if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, then subscribe. Till we meet again. Bye-bye. Oh, you look so... I just pressure washed you. I just get nutty.